And let me show you an oscilloscope display working. As I said, we have the time in the horizontal axis, and in this case I picked up 10 milliseconds of range in the oscilloscope, and we have the amplitude in the vertical axis, that in this case is measured in volts, and each length represents 100 millivolts. So let's play a tone with a fixed frequency and a sinusoidal waveform. So first I selected wave of 100 Hz and 0.2 volts of amplitude, and as you can see here, it fixed one period exactly in 10 milliseconds, of course. So the principal characteristic of the oscilloscope display is that we can observe exactly the amplitude of the sound along the time. This period of 10 milliseconds is repeating each 10 milliseconds actually. Now I changed the frequency of the wave to 1000 Hz, and I changed also the amplitude from 0.2 volts to 0.1 volt, and you can see the difference here. And 1000 Hz means that the period repeats 10 times in 10 milliseconds. That is, we can observe here. Finally, I want you to see a frequency of 10,000 Hz or 10 kilohertz, and you can see that it's difficult to count all the period inside a 10 milliseconds range, and this is the problem of the oscilloscope display. It's difficult to find the frequency of the sound at one time, and also you know that the sound have a lot of frequency mixed inside, or chance frequency. So the useful property of the oscilloscope display is to see the variation on the amplitude of the sound, especially when we are trying to normalize the sound or keep the one fixed level, like the line level.